What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, the Subie fam. Today we're just cruising to the garage, the in-laws garage. We're gonna be installing some clean ass taillights on my boy's 2020 WRX. Get you some clean shots of it. But yeah, let's get into it. Shit's clean as hell. Never mind once you get some headlights. Alright guys, so we're making our way. We're messing with the shitty ass pop clips. Half the bumpers already unclipped. My boy Rob going to work. And we'll start tackling the headlights. New fog bezels. Hell yeah. Alright guys, so we just got the bumper off. And peep what we see. Just a pack of cigs. Just chilling. Just chilling there. Yeah, no big deal. Yeah, bumper's off. Now we just gotta disconnect the fog lights. And we're good to go. Hell yeah. Alright guys, bumper's off. We got the new fog deletes in. Looking awesome. This one just gotta get clipped in better. Whole bumper's out. Some stock headlights. We're getting there, guys. Alright guys, so before we put the bumper on, we're testing all the functions. Sequential's working. Awesome. Oh hell yeah, dude, that's so bright. Wow. Oh, that looks clean, man. Alright guys, so we got the headlight working. We have it tapped in, well not tapped in, sorry. plug and play. The whole thing's plug and play. Didn't need to tap in anything. Here's the directionals. It comes with this harness right here. You just plug the harness and tap it into the directionals, connect that, and then you come over to the fuse box, and then you just take out, it's a blue one right here. You just pop that out, it's a 15, and then you just throw that in there, and she's running. Sequentials are working. Everything's running mint. That's daylight, right?
Yeah.
So that's daylight. There's high beams. And there's the sequential. So we're gonna get the other side hooked up. Gonna get everything the way it's supposed to be, and we'll see how it looks. So clean. Both lights are connected, working. Now we just gotta get the bumper back on. Oh, I love that, dude. That's awesome. Oh yeah. All right, guys, your boy Harold pulled up. Yo, yo. Bumper's back on. Just getting the final clips back on. Everybody knows the clips are the worst part. You spend more time fighting the clips than doing really anything else. But bumper lined up mint. Headlights look freaking beautiful. You got the fog deletes in there. All right.
So clean.
Oh. Oh yeah. You want to turn it on? Moment of truth?
That's crazy.